Hello everyone. Well, the reason I've come on, I really intend to do that last one again. I'm not happy with it at all. Okay, so it's maybe look alright, but I think I'm getting too far away from what what I really like doing. Even if you're doing it in this hake brush, you don't have to use the same colours as Ron used or anybody else you look at, which is typically ultramarine and crimson, alizarin sky with a lemon yellow between it. You don't need to stay with that, do you really, when you think about it? So, well, in my ways I used to work, I'll stay with that. No. I've not got the colours of my own colours on, I've got the ultramarine, so it's not what I would work with, but we'll see what we can do. Get back to proper painting in a way. Still using this brush though, you know, it's still good for making you adhere to looseness, shall we say. Yes, I would still use a little bit of paint grey, which is what we're using here now. Just a little bit though, not too much. I think I may be overdoing it with this. So cut it out there now, leave it at that. Now I'll get back to with my Patreon. Well, I'm doing a few lessons on this sort of thing, but I think we'll start going back, because most of my patrons at the present, some of the communities where they post the paintings, it's absolutely, I can't believe it's so good, you know. They're really getting really good. They are. They're really so good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that way, eh? Yeah, they're really doing very well. Amazing how they've progressed. You know that little is more, so and we can use an air dryer, no just stopping you. You can even use the hake on dry paper. You'll see that. Okay, so Ron Ronson will tell you, do your skies, always wetting when you do your skies. Okay, that's fine. Just let's what I am finding is that using the beige grey and brown as suggested for just the trees, it's a bit bland, isn't it? Totally. But this now here, this I'm putting on here with a little bit of lemon yellow in it. Does give a little bit more colour to the trees. Because also I've noticed it seems that once if certain colours look at the ready cast with it, when I use the camera, which I don't care for really. Now this is getting these colours just right. So we'll just put a little bit of darks over that far side there, near just here. No, I think you should find yourself and get away from copying other people slavishly.